back to Spectrum News 1, everybody, on this Sunday, June 23rd. Meteorologist Robert Suhr back with you here. Another check of your forecast. I want to talk to you real quick about something interesting. You know, the first day of summer was a few days ago. That's the longest day of the year. We're starting to lose daylight every day now. At first, it's by a couple of seconds, but soon it will be basically a minute or so each day. So a month from today, we will have lost about 11 minutes of daylight, and that really starts to pick up as we get into August and especially September. So keep that in mind. Our slow descent into winter has begun. Now, in the short term, we are looking at some more comfortable air to finally make its way into the bluegrass region here for Monday, and maybe the first half of Tuesday. It will be far less humid, still warm, but at least the humidity will come down. Also watching today for a couple of morning sprinkles and some afternoon and evening thunderstorms. That would be the best chance to see some of that activity as a cold front crosses the area. And you'll be able to see, here comes that broken line of showers and sprinkles in here around the lunch hour or so. But then as the main front works its way through, that's when we see the better chance for more organized activity that will press through. But I think by sunset or so, most of the activity is moving out to the east of the area, and by tomorrow morning, not a bad start with much drier air here, temperatures in the 60s. There is a slight chance of severe thunderstorms here across much of the area. If you get one of those storms to become strong or a weak severe storm, I know that sounds like an oxymoron, but it would pose mainly a very heavy rain threat. We're talking about torrential rain and a wind threat. We're not worried about big hail or tornadoes today, which is certainly good news. So a couple of morning sprinkles, better chance for activity this afternoon with some of those thunderstorms. Highs right around 90 for most of us, upper 80s and lower 90s. Still one more very humid day. So heat indices will once again, in some locations, be flirting with the upper 90s to around 100. But lows tonight with that drier air will be allowed to cool off a little bit more. Notice here some lower 60s starting to pop in. So not as oppressive of a sleeping night if you don't have AC for tonight. A less humid day on Monday. Tuesday, the temperatures and the humidity start to come right back up, and a stronger cold front has its sights set on the area on Wednesday. That could provide us with more widespread showers and storms.